Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you this Nadula pre-cut lace wear and go honey blonde curly wave highlighted wig. You guys, this wig is super affordable and it is their 6 by 4.5 pre-cut lace. So pre-cut, pre-plucked, and it comes with baby hairs. And as you guys can see from this intro, I will be showing you guys 3 different parting ways that you can style this wig. That way you know you have options. So of course I'm going to give you a quick unboxing. Nadula Hair sends a ton of gifts. They also send like this crochet set, which is kind of crazy. I was not expecting that. So again, this is their wear and go pre-cut lace honey blonde curly wave highlighted wig. It is 150% density and I have it in 18 inches. Again, that lace does come pre-cut and it comes pre-plucked for you along with the baby hairs. It does have the airy wig cap, that way your scalp can breathe. The silicone base so that your wig is not slipping and sliding, and of course it has the adjustable elastic band for a secure and glueless fit. So I'm just going to give you guys some close-up of the wig details. Again, it has that airy wig cap, so girl, if you need to scratch your scalp or maybe your scalp just needs to breathe, this is the perfect wig cap for you. The silicone base, again, to prevent the wig from slipping and sliding, and that adjustable elastic band, that way you can tighten it or loosen it to whatever your preference is. Also, you guys, I did not bleach the knots whatsoever on this wig unit. I didn't do anything to it. This is a straight out the box wig install. So the first thing that you want to do is just add a little bit of makeup to your lace and adjust the adjustable strap to your preference. Then you want to throw her on, make sure she's centered, make sure that she's fully secure. And then I'm also going to comb back these baby hairs really quickly because I want to add a little bit more foundation at the tip of the lace as well as that part area. So I will be using my wax stick and my hot comb to make sure everything is flattened and it's looking natural before I do that. Alright, so far she's looking pretty good. So right now I'm just looking at the lace. The lace isn't completely flat to my liking, so you have 2 different options here. You can either use the baby hairs that was placed on the wig for you to cover up any lace that may be showing, or you can actually add a little bit of spray. But I really wanted to show you guys how I was able to install this wig without any glue or spray, so I opted to use the baby hairs that the wig came with. I just finessed it in my own little way, made it my own little shape, just to hide all of the lace that was showing, okay? So you have options. This is completely up to you. Alright, the lace is looking really good, so let's go ahead and move on to the rest of the wig. Now, I'm sure you guys can tell that the curls on this wig is pretty defined already. It's just a little frizzy in certain spots, mostly because I was running my fingers through it. So I'm just going to refresh the curls. Now, the good thing is that I did not have to go the full method of having to specifically define each curl or do like a completely time-consuming technique in order to get my curls to pop. We did not have to do that. All I did was drench the hair with some water and I just finger detangled. And then once the hair was saturated enough and I was done finger detangling, I just added a little bit of gel to set the hair, and I did that on both sides. Alright, that one side is completed, so I'm just showing you guys the difference between the wet side and the dry side. So I went ahead and did the other side off camera, and as you guys can see, the curls look really pretty while they are wet. You don't have to worry about any of that lace showing. She's laying completely flat and is giving natural, okay? Also, I really enjoyed the curl pattern with these highlights. I feel like it just made the curls pop, so I was extremely happy with it. So I'm also going to show you guys what the hair looked like when it was dry. So in order to get like a fuller volume look, I went in with my pick and I just picked the hair to my preference. You could continue to do this for as long as you want to, depending on how big you would like your hair. But I normally like mine like in the middle range. I don't like it too flat and I also don't like it too full. So I just picked the hair to my preference. Alright, there we go. She is coming alive. I was completely happy with it. Now, as far as the quality of this hair, you guys, I did not have excessive tangling or shedding, but like I always say, please make sure you are detangling and styling your curly units while they are wet. That is extremely important, okay? But overall, I really loved this wig. I love the curl pattern. I love the highlights, and I just love how effortless and flawless it looked on me. And as you guys can see from the outro, I will be showing you the middle part and each side part as well. That way you know you can style this wig however you choose. She is suitable for any and every occasion. You could put it on and take it off whenever you choose, and that is the luxury about having a wear and go wig. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you check out the description box down below, and I will see you guys next time.